If you've ever wondered if you can file an insurance water damage claim, it depends on what's going on in your home. Let's say you have a pipe in the kitchen and it burst. Water floods, it damages cabinets, it damages drywall, it damages carpet. The answer is yes, you can file a claim for this. Keep in mind, everything is dictated by the policy that you sign. My name is Robert Mack, and I'm a public insurance adjuster, and my job is to go through that policy, find out if you're covered, and then find out what coverages you have in order to protect you. Some things and sometimes people are prevented from claiming coverage because of riders they have in the policy. But if you have any questions about any of these things, or if you need more information, please feel free to call us at the number below or drop us an email. We're here to help.